Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a day. Guys, welcome to another live stream. Absolutely don't smash the like button. Absolutely don't subscribe and don't ring the bell for no reason, okay? And what a day. Unbelievable, guys. And we are just jumping into the earnings release of Netflix. So we will jump here and there because any second now Netflix is to present their earnings numbers, and it will be displayed here. So what is expected by Netflix? Obviously, through those super mega hits like Squid Game, now everybody expect, okay, how the subscription went on, what is next for Netflix, and so on and so forth, right? So earnings per share is expected 82 cents. And revenue 7.7 and global paid net subscriber additions 8.2 million. Okay, so this is estimated earnings whispers, which are mostly more close, are 87 EPS. Okay, so and a little bit, the same revenue basically, but the consensus is 82 cents. The earnings whisper is 87 cents. Okay, so any second now they would come out with the earnings, so stay tuned for that. And here we go. Letter to shareholders. We achieved several milestones. We had the biggest TV show of the year, Squid Game, our two biggest film releases of all time, Red Notice and Don't Look Up. Don't Look Up was really good. Red Notice I haven't seen yet. And Netflix was most Emmy-winning and most nominated TV network and the most Oscar-winning and nominated movie studio of 2021. Congratulations. Full-year revenue of 30 billion grew 19% year-over-year, while operating income of 6.2 billion rose 35% year-over-year. We finished Q4 with 222 million paid subscribers with 8.3 paid add-ons, which is a little bit more than expected. Expected was 8.2. We having here 8.3. Even in a world of uncertainty and increasing competition, we are optimistic about our long-term growth prospects as streaming supplants linear entertainment around the world. We are continually improving Netflix so that we can please our members, grow our share of leisure time, and lead in this transition. Our summary results forecasts are below. So revenue, just 6.6, and revenue estimate was 7.7. So that's not good. And the subscribers net are just as expected, a little bit more. So I don't know how the Sorry. 7.7. So exactly as expected. Here, 7.7 as expected. And that's about the 16% growth. Okay, EPS 1.33. Okay, that's a little bit more than expected. So could be that the stock actually gains. So let's have a look. Netflix. Netflix is minus 10% after hours. Okay, so the market doesn't like it at all, guys. Okay, they don't like it at all. So I hope that not so many people are here Netflix shareholders. So that's with Netflix. If you want to know more about one more thing, let's have a look what they say for the outcome or the 1Q forecast. Yeah, so also the growth is not like it should be much less than the years before. As you can see here, the growth is not so great. I think this is what they don't like. Okay, this is what is the forecast. So it's very hard now to get more and more people on it, so they need to increase the price and so on. So Not great, guys. Not great. 11% down as of this stream right now. So not that great, guys. Not that great. So I hope I'm not a Netflix investor. I hope you are a long-term Netflix investor, because long-term I think this company has a lot of potential, but they need to do something, right? What is the next growth factor? What is the next big thing for Netflix? So let's discuss this another time. Let's have a look what the stock market in general did. And guys, look at this. Okay, the S&P 500 just gained, I think, in the top 1.3%, and it cannot just hold it. It cannot just hold it. What's going on with the market, guys? I will tell you. I think there's a lot of uncertainty of the Ukraine-Russia situation, so people take risk off, because think about it. Not only space, the S&P 500 is down, but also the 10-year is slow. It's not really increasing, right? So it's barely increasing. It's basically neutral. The VIX was great today. The VIX was great today for the beginning of the day. It went down, so it was great for stocks, but then in the end of the day just went up. So now look at how the VIX over the last couple of 5 days went from 17 to 25, okay? And usually now is the big question, and this is my prediction for next week. I think that with next week we have the Fed that don't have any bad surprises anymore. They puked it all out in the last minutes of meeting that they sent out last Wednesday, that kept on the market in crashing, plus the uncertainty of the Russian and Ukraine crisis. You know, these two things are waiting still on the market. So I think next week could be like a release, okay? After now, look at this. Let's have a look into the S&P 500 once again, okay? S&P 500 now lost about 7% in the last 5 days, from 4.739 to 4.4, and now we are supported by the 200 moving average, okay? So here's the 200 moving average, which is 4.4. So tomorrow could be a test of that, but then I think we are ready for a rebound. Now the overall situation is too bad. The only thing that is still a little bit, let's say, neutral, which is not giving this rally a little bit of a last push, is the fear and greed index. If this goes a little bit into the fear section, then we should have a support here to really rally into the next week. And what is the best thing to own next week? I think short-term Tesla. Tesla was never so or barely so cheap, with so much great delivery numbers and deliveries. I think this could be a super nice surprise, because the numbers will be absolutely stellar. Also, we will have Apple and some others, right? Let's have a look. If we look into the calendar, what the calendar tells us, what we will see. So let's have a look on Monday. Monday we are having. Let us open another one. Earnings calendar. Let's have a look. Earningsinvesting.com. Earnings calendar. So next week. And let's have a look by market cap. Okay. So Monday we have IBM. All right. Then on Tuesday we have J&J, interesting for all of those players in the health industry. We have Verizon, Texas Instruments. Then we have on Wednesday, what about Tuesday? Microsoft we have as well on Tuesday. We have Wednesday, we have Intel, we have AT&T, Boeing, We have, let's scroll down because apparently those trillion-dollar companies are shown in the very bottom, unfortunately. Tesla we have on Wednesday. Thursday we have Apple, Visa, MasterCard, Comcast, Blackstone. Very, very packed week next week, okay? Very packed week. So I think this could be a nice comeback. A little bit temporary, at least, all right? Let's have a look also because some are asking what Space did. Yes, Space seems to be at the bottom now. Hopefully it dropped a little bit more, but another the $9 was tested. Were we today below $9? I don't think so. No, we weren't below $9. So the $9 is holding as of now. And I think that with that said, you are set up for the weekend. Before that, there's something else. Peloton. Okay, Peloton. I have a microscopic position in my portfolio. And Peloton just got crashed today because they are absolutely said there was a presentation or a meeting inside the company where apparently the production got on hold because they have so less demand. That's obviously a total disaster, and that's why the stock went down 23%, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Really, really crazy. And with a market cap of now 8 billion, I think this company needs to change a lot. Maybe change of management, do something, get smaller, get leaner, get profitable. This is the only way out for this company to move higher. Other than that, I think Tesla was quite neutral today, was positive. I think 4 of almost 5%. But then, went down, and also after hours quite neutral. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow a new day before the weekend. And as always, guys, don't ever look me up on Instagram, guys. Wolf of Dubai Danny. Don't smash the like button and don't subscribe, guys. Thank you very much, and see you soon tomorrow.